Hello guys. In this session, we will learn how you can customize the view of searched issues in Jira, as well as how you can add or remove the columns for the searched results for the issues. So to get started, you just need to log in Jira, and at the home page or at the top, just go to issues and click on search for issues. Right, so here you can see the search page has opened, and by default you see this is the basic search available, so wherein you can select from the drop down the project, the type, status, or what the status the issue is in, and who is the assignee, etc., and search the results accordingly. Right, so if I select the current user, so it will just filter the results based on the current user, whoever is the current user. And if I switch from basic to advanced, then the advanced JQL search text box will be available, wherein you can type the query to search the issues. Right, so I'll switch to basic, and then we'll see how you can customize the view on this search results screen. So to customize the view, you just need to click on the change type, change view icon here. So at the moment it's list view. If you want a detailed view, just select on just click on detail view, right? So it will switch, it will have multiple, like two columns available. So depending on the issue that you select, it will give the detail of that issue as well in the right hand side, right? To change it back to the list view, just click on list view again. Right? So that's how you change the view in the search results screen. The second thing that you can do on the search results screen is to change the columns that are listed. So for example, at the moment, if you see the type, key, summary, assignee, reporter, priority, status, etc. columns are available. If you want to get more columns, or you don't want some of the columns that are available now to be listed, you can just select on the columns and then uncheck whatever things are not required for you. So for example, I don't want to see key to be listed, and then I don't want the updated column to be listed, right? I want environment to be listed, and I want the labels to be listed, right? So you can choose what extra columns you want to see and what you want to remove. Just uncheck those and click on done. And the list will be updated accordingly. So you see the due date, the environment, and labels columns are listed, right? So since there are no labels available for the issues, it's showing as none, right? So that is adding and removing columns in the search issue screen. The other options that are available is share. You can share this filter through email with other people in the project, or you can export the search results in printable or full content or CSV or other supported formats that are available, right? So that's pretty much about changing the layout or the view in the search issues screen, as well as updating, adding new columns in the search results, or removing the columns from the search results. Thank you.